Good morning, hello, could be nighttime. Today I'm going to show you how to create inline links in your blogs. So all that means is that the link in is in the text. Link in text is what they call it. Oh my gosh, there's all these funny little names for it. Anyway, the basic premise is you're reading a blog and there's a link inside someone's blog takes them to another blog of theirs. So this is part of having an SEO strategy where you create links from blogs to blogs inside your own website. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I am using Divi theme. Or you can use Divi Builder. It's also a plugin that can give this functionality if you don't want to install the whole theme onto your website. And it's a WordPress site. So that's the main premise of this. But really, if you're in Wix or you're in Squarespace, it's the same sort of function. You just have to find your text editor and I'll walk you through. But anyway, it'll just look slightly differently. I'm going to show you on this gorgeous woman's website. Her name's Irina Geller. So let's just go to her latest blog post and I'm logged in. So if you're not seeing this bar at the top, you need to log in and say, we've got to click Enable Visual Builder so that we are in edit mode. It just takes a minute. And now, hopefully, if you've managed to get your blog into the site, you click on the bit of words that you want to edit, and then this strip comes up. And then the cog is the thing that lets you access this. Well, what do I call it? I call it like a text editor. And it's got all these usual features, like it's got paragraph or heading 1, 2, 3. So you can edit all of that. You can make things bold. You can give things bullet lists, or you can change the way the text is aligned if you want it centered. I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. So it's true with Divi Builder and other editors. You can just click in here. Sorry about that, guys. That's my plumber helping me. I thought I might sneak in a video without any disruption. What was I thinking? Have you ever done that? I'm not going to edit that out though, because that's the kind of lazy content creator I am. So basically, you can click in here to edit your words and just type in directly. But the main problem with that is it's just got limited things you can do. So, if I click in here, it's true that I can, highlight a section. I can do bold, italic, underline. I can change the text. There's a few things that you can do when you're looking at it, but there's also a lot of things you can't do. So I'm just going to delete this out because we don't really want to keep that there. I recommend that if you want complete control over the way your text looks, that you click in the box and then you click this cog and then you edit it over here, because you just get a lot more control of the formatting. And the formatting is really just the way that it looks on the page. So if you've got it looking weird over here with like wrong fonts, things aren't lining up nicely, or it's just looking weird and you can't get it right, the go is to go click and then click this cog and come over here. The cool thing you can do as well over here is, you can actually, like, maybe we're going to change this, right, to a heading 2 or 3, heading 3. And then we could come over here and we can go into the design and then we can look at heading text for heading 3 and we can customize it further. So this is another little vortex that you can go into, but this is not what I said I was going to show you, right? I said let's just change it just for example. We can make it ultra bold, right? But what I was going to show you was how to put a link in your text. So let's go back here and just make this whatever it was. I think it was just paragraph text, right? And then what you do once you've made edits is you just click the green tick and then you click this purple bubble and you also save over here. Now for this inline link, what we're going to do is we're going to link from this blog to another blog. So you would obviously have that other blog open with a link to it. And you get the link by just going to that blog post, and then up in your URL here, you just copy that, right? And then you come over to this blog and you're like, okay, the bit I want to link to is, so you might say the recent survey of coaching clients. This is the bit that we want to link over to that other blog. So you just choose it, select it. I do it by click and drag, but there's lots of ways you can do it. And then this one here is the link. Insert or edit a link. So if you click that, it pops up here. You can put that link to the other blog, and you can choose if you want it to open in a new window or in the current one. And you don't really need to change anything else, and then you just click OK. And then the link is now in the text. So if someone clicks this, it's going to take them over to this other blog. Now, I don't really want that to stay because that might not be an accurate link. I just quickly grabbed that. And if you have made a mistake with your link, again, you just highlight the text and you click the link button. And if you just delete out this URL and click OK, it will remove the link in text, because sometimes you accidentally spread it over too many lines or too many words. You just click the green tick to save, and you click the green box to save, and then off you go. It's a sneezy morning. And then always when you're leaving, you click Exit Visual Builder. So that's really all there is to it, as well as showing you how to do the link in text, the inline link. I've also showed you a little bit more of how to take control of your font in the design tab of the module. I hope you have a beautiful day. I hope that was helpful. And if it's too fast, remember to pause me and join in and work along with me. See you later.